Dear students, welcome to the class. In today's class, I am going to discuss about Autacoids. Now, what are Autacoids? Autacoids are they are known as local hormones. In Greek word, Autacoids means the local hormones that are used for self-remedy. Next, coming to the definition of Autacoids. Autacoids are basically chemical mediators which are synthesized and functioning locally, showing their physiological and pathological responses to any kind of injury that happens. They are known as local hormones. They do not function as classical blood-borne hormones. They are short-lived in nature, and autacoid modulators interfere with the synthesis, inhibition and release of the receptors on which they act. So here you can see the very common autacoids that are used, that is amine autacoid, lipid-derived autacoid, peptide autacoid and other autacoids. Amine autacoid example histamine, serotonin. Lipid derivative, that is prostaglandin, leukotrienes, platelet activating factor. Peptide autacoid, bradykinin, angiotensin. Other autacoids like gastrin, cytokines, etc. Now, one by one, I am going to discuss with you all the various types of autacoids. First, coming to angiotensin autacoid. Now, angiotensin falls under the peptide hormone that causes vasoconstriction. As it causes vasoconstriction, it increases the blood pressure. It is a part of renin-angiotensin system and it regulates the blood pressure. Angiotensin also stimulates the release of aldosterone. Where from this aldosterone coming? From adrenal cortex. What it is doing? It is enhancing the sodium retention by the kidneys. So you can say angiotensin is a hormone and it also acts as a dipsogen. Next is bradykinin. This is also another autacoid. Brady means slow, kinin means to move. It is also a peptide autacoid that promotes inflammation. It causes dilation of the arterioles, releasing the prostacyclin, nitric oxide and endothelium, which is derived and hyperpolarizing factor, making the veins to constrict, therefore leading to leakage of the capillary beds and increased pressure of the capillaries. So as a whole we can say both angiotensin and bradykinin, they are peptide hormone or peptide autacoids. Next is leukotrienes. It's a eicosanoid family inflammatory mediator. It is produced by leukocytes. How? By oxidation of arachidonic acid. It is also acting locally, mediating the intra or intercellular functions where in the tissues where they are formed. The main 5 biologically active leukotrienes are leukotriene A4, C4, D4, E4 and B4. Next autacoid is thromboxane. Thromboxane is also a group of lipids known as eicosanoids, and it is a vasoconstrictor and a potent hypertensive agent. It also aids in platelet aggregation. It is a member of prostanoid family of arachidonic acid metabolites, and it also helps in the generation of various types of sequential action of three enzymes. What are the enzymes? Phospholipase A2, cyclooxygenase 1 or cyclooxygenase 2, thromboxane A2 synthase, that is TXAS. Next is prostaglandin. It is also a very important autacoid which has a pivotal or vital role in inflammation. The inflammation can be characterized by redness, rubber, heat, calor, pain, dolor, and swelling, tumor. The changes that are associated with inflammation are due to the dilation of local blood vessels that permits the increased blood flow. There are several drugs like aspirin, ibuprofen that inhibit the prostaglandin synthesis. They suppress the inflammation and ultimately they are acting as an anti-inflammatory drug. And in some cases of non-infectious disease that causes inflammation, such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, there also prostaglandin plays a major role in inflammation. Thank you all for listening to the video. There are many information given. Hopefully you will add it to your notes.